Stuart tour first, the Honley village.
They're saying now it was against the rules, you have to pay all that. It's wrong. But it makes, so he came in £4 over the rate cut as well.
Also it makes sense to be told short, I think.
Yeah, basically. But it makes it even more unfair for the guys. So he came in £4
Very loud, is it?
Right, so this is the...
I thought there were two bells on that.
There are, but this is the...
Oh, I'll go outside, you can do it for...
Okay.
Wait a minute, let me go down the steps. Go on the back. Where's my picture's gone? Oh, there. So that's the tolling bell. What was that noise that came out? Well, huh? I'm here, Martin. I'm here.
Oh, you're there.
Are you going to do that one now?
I haven't got the skill for this one.
Let me go outside, I can hear it. And then I can do it on the other side. Hang on. So I can hear what they both sound like. And put on. Hello! Hard. Keep going. Hard. You just strike it hard. What you do is just put it like that.
Don't let it go. That's secret.
Yeah, keep. I'm going to go around there, just around the other side. So can you do that and do the other bell again? I'll go around the other side and I'll come back round and do in the church. Keep on. Thank you. Keep going. And the big one. Can you do the big one? Great George, can you do that big one for us? Yeah. I'm going to go up here and get it. Thank you. That's a deep set bell. I'm at Honley Church and I've only got 2 bells, but I can't go up into the bells because the ladder's broken. But it doesn't matter, as long as I can see inside, that's good. I'm on my tour of Huddersfield churches. I'm 1 and 2 bell towers. Right, let's do the inside of the church before. Let's do the inside. Make it a day for my friend. I'm here, man. I'm doing the tour. I'm just doing the tour of the church. Oh, does it go up to the top?
Well, it goes onto the balcony.
All right, I'll depress the button to make the tenor ring. So did you press that button then to make it ring?
No, it's the foot rope.
All right, because Anne said it rings 10 to 10 for Sunday service. Before the service it rings, that's what she said.
Well, we don't ring we only ring solstice occasion.
No, like, you know, before you come on a Sunday morning to ring the bells.
Well, that's the one you heard first.
Is that the tenor?
Yeah.
All right, because I think there's a book about it there, I think I just saw one. So if I wanted to go up there, is that as far as I could get up to there, to that room?
That's it, yeah.
That's all right. So this is a bit like Tulbrook in Liverpool, this is a bit like Tulbrook, St John the Baptist. It's a really good little church, and also the front of that looks like SFX, Fans and Saviours in Liverpool, so we're going to get this on YouTube and you can say a big thank you. I'm just on a tour. Does it strike at 1:30? Does it strike on the half hour? Or does it only do the hourlies?
There's one strike half hour.
Oh, I've never heard that.
Strike.
I've never heard that. Huh. Oh. So the clock is not round anymore. I don't need to come and wind it up.
No, it's automated.
Oh, that's good then. So I can. That's why I thought I wasn't going to come today, because I thought no, it's not working. So.
No.
But, don't need to get kirkheaton until 5 o'clock. It's the branch meeting and Shelley branch coupling. It's kirkheaton at 6 o'clock ringing. That's why I've come on an early tour so I can do some little 1 bell towers.
Oh, I've got a wedding today, so...
Pardon?
I've got a wedding today.
What time's your wedding?
2 o'clock.
Oh, 2 o'clock. Because you know, before you ring for weddings, you can ring for weddings. And then
No, we don't.
Oh, you don't ring for weddings?
Well, because it's only a single bell. It's not like a peal.
Oh, no, I understand that. I understand. You can use it for like death tolls, can't you? Ringing for the...
For a funeral, we use a solstice.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I'm not going anywhere yet. I'm just doing a film of the tour of the Honley Church. It's lovely in here. It's lovely. Don't leave your stuff on there. No. Let's have a look. Does it have anything about meltham in here? Let's have a look. It might say when it was done. I'll be... Raise you up. Quick look up here and then I'll come back. Just gonna do a tour. Sorry, just doing a tour. See how high it goes up. Bit like Bradshaw, isn't it? I'm going to tour around like Dylan. So that rope comes from the bottom and it goes right up there. Right up. It's alright, he's doing okay. It's alright.
I'm just going to come through with this.
That's fine. I'll turn round. There you go. So the clock's automatically wound now, so it does it itself now, so I don't need to wind it up anymore, so that's good news. So, where are you? Hello? How do I get round? Oh, can I get up here? Let's have a look.
So that's the solstice.
Hang on. Is that the bell?
Yeah.
All right. I just like to hear them. What about that one?
That's one outside.
Just like to hear that one.
So it's not the best thing to pull.
It's all right. Wanted to see what it's like inside, so I can send it to your YouTube channel. Could I have that book actually about the church?
Yeah, take it.
And that, so I just wanted to say thank you for letting me come in and have a look around, because I was supposed to come over there, but the weather was bad, so I stayed at home.
You might not call me.
No, I thought I'd come on Saturday on my tour, a tour day out. So, yeah. Nice church, isn't it? Eh? It's a lovely church, isn't it?
Yeah.
Well, you look after it, make sure it keeps safe when I'm not here.
You can see we've got a problem.
Well, what's wrong with it?
Leak.
Oh yes. Have you heard of the one by the cricket ground? Is it Holmfirth Church?
Might be, yeah.
Yeah, I think that's got 3 bells, 2 for the clock and 1 for striking. I don't know. I'd get onto that one.
Yeah, it's unfortunate our gully's gone.
Pardon?
The gully's gone.
The gully's gone. So how long have these bells been here then? How long have they been here?
Sorry?
How long have the bells been in there?
No idea.
You're not sure? But so I'm just having a look to see what you've got anyway, so then we can send it to you, so you can put a nice comment on my YouTube channel. So, I've been bellringing since 1996. I became a bellringer. I learnt doing it at Dewsbury in 96, and then I moved on and then went everywhere. And that's why I'm so good at learning to ring now.
So it's a small village, it's a big church.
This one, it is. It's like Brighouse actually. It's got a sort of a tower of Brighouse St Martin's actually.
It's called Mill Owners.
Mill Owners Church.
Yeah. Brook family.
Brook family. Does the clock stop at night time automatically? Does
No,
it?
it goes through.
Does it go through all the night?
Yep.
Oh, I see. I just wanted to see what was happening. Right. So that's the rope that comes down like we've got at St Jude's. Ah, there's something here. You need that. That's the tolling rope, isn't it?
That's the normal
And-
bell.
And what's that one up there that's got a key on that?
That's the other one I pulled up that side.
Is that?
That's the solstice bell.
Yeah. Is that always been up like that, or do you pull that down to ring from down there?
No, well you can't ring from down here.
Well, when I video letters, it just means I know where I've been. That's all. Oh, that I've wrong there. That's Thornhill Church. That's Thornhill Parish Church, Dewsbury. Oh, St George, Brockles, Martin Shaw, a lovely man for his own standard. Right.
Is that your car, the white one?
What?
Is that your car?
No, I don't drive.
Oh, right.
I don't drive, and I wouldn't even ever think of driving because I'm worried about hurting myself. I'd rather be here for you guys. Right, let's see. Where's... Oh, it's there on the chair. Better get the one of the clock tower. Oh, we've got ages yet.
Sorry?
Ages yet before it plays, 1.5 hour strike. It's a long time to wait.
Sorry, I can't hear you.
I said it's a long time to wait before it rings 1:30, 12:30.
About 5 minutes or so, 10 minutes.
So, I'll do a bit of a tour of the village. So that's Martin Shaw, I've met my friend, that's nice. Go around the church whilst I'm waiting. And then I'll go to a different one in a minute, just have a walk. Oh, let's have a look from this side. So we're not allowed to up and see the bells because the ladder's broken and for insurance, but it don't matter anyway, at least I've got the sound. That's more important. Yeah.